It was important to preserve the Walkin Shoe Factory for the revitalization of Schuylkill Haven, Pennsylvania. Schuylkill County is an old coal region that had fallen on tough times in the 70s and 80s. And while we're still clawing out of that hole, it's a great place to raise a family. And we wanted to have great jobs and great community art centers and outreach programs that the Walkin provides in that area in order to continue that push forward.
The Walkin Shoe Factory was the major employer in Schuylkill Haven. The town has 6,000 inhabitants now, and that's about the same that it did back in the 1880s. If we were to revitalize the town and bring it back, we needed to get people off the interstate highways, off 80 and 81, off Route 61, and bring them into the town and hopefully show them something that they would enjoy, and in the process have them see a town that really has a great deal to offer, and possibly they might think about relocating. One of the things that's always been a stumbling block for our area is the fact that there's not a lot that goes on here. They say that the hospitals have a difficult time getting doctors, young doctors, to come in here and relocate into this area. So it needed some things, and to provide entertainment, to provide recreation for people. And so one of the things that we thought about was the Arts Center. And now if you go back to this area, it's a good anthracite, hard coal, football playing area. And I have said so many times, if we would have made this the high school football museum, they'd be 8 deep at the door. But the fact that it's art, what we've got to do is show people how art can enrich their lives and help them and grow along those lines.
There were a lot of people who questioned why we would be putting an art center in the middle of the coal regions. There were people saying, they didn't see that it would be successful. But there were also a fair number of people who said that they thought it was a good idea and that they were very supportive. It still is a challenge getting the word out. There are still people around who, when they walk in, say, oh my gosh, I had no idea this was here. And that's something we are constantly trying to do, the outreach, and we're constantly trying to get to new groups of people and different clientele so that we can get that word out there and make sure that more people become aware of what we are doing here. There was a fair amount of skepticism. I guess it would be healthy skepticism when we got started. And I think people are pleasantly surprised and proud of what we've been able to do.